What is going on, guys? So today the package has arrived and it's from Mr. Parian, owner of M&M Cube Shop, and here we go. Let's open it. Enjoy the video. Okay, so now I'm going to open it. It's super surprise. Okay, another plastic inside the plastic. Okay, kakamin ko na lang. Grabe yung mga lubs ah. Premium. Okay, what is this? Axe. Grabe, 6 na lubricant. Tapos may pang ano pa. Okay, nice. Set aside na natin. Now let's move on with the cubes. Okay. Grabe, ano to ah, parang raffle. Tapos meron pa tayong YJ Nax. Tagal kong ginusto to. YJ Yusu ata to eh. Tama ba? YJ Yusu. Tapos pangatlo kong RST and V5 na UV coated. Nice. Thank you ulit Sir Miguel Parian. Okay, unahin natin tong YJ kasi avid fan ako ng YJ. Yung YJ na 2x2, hindi ko alam kung natawag doon. Ito pala yung Yusu. This is the correct product of the YJ Yusu. And I don't know how about the 2x2 because that was the thing that it was assume about the name. Because I barely buy some 2x2s, so that's why I forgot the YJ Yusu. Itong 4x4 i-keep ko pa ito. Itong kasi parang hindi, bebenta ko kagad. Kailangan ko kasi ng budget. Bato. Ang open yung tunog pero okay na din. Parang ano niya, parang kumbaga sa fragile, parang mag-aano na siya. Ba't ka doon? Parang nilibre na lang ako taon. So ako na bahala dito. Okay, move na tayo dito sa isa. Ayoko itong 4x4. Pero kikit ko pa rin. Okay, ang hirap niya buksan. Ayun. Okay, nice. Yeah. Let's do the first turns with this third cube. Okay, nice. Okay siya. Hey! Sorry guys, may aso kasi sa likod ko. Super ano niya, bumpy. The cube feels stable, bumpy, and glossy with the UV coating finish. And I think this cube needs some lube for the cube to make it more stable. Yes, right now it's a little bit bumpy, but I think it's still good. Okay. Maybe try natin tong ibang lubes para magkaalaman na. Grabe, thank you Sir Miguel Parian, ang ganda na ito. Paldo tayo dito. Itong blue na lube, hindi ko alam kung anong purpose na ito, pero try natin. Tapos end ko na yung video. Mga 4 drops lang. 1, 2. Bakin muna natin. Actually guys, the name of these lubes are called quantum lubes. 3, 4. Okay. So right now this cube has some 4 drops, and let's break it in. Okay, as of the moment, I don't think I'm gonna sell this because I think it's good. Perfect for competitions, and right now I'm really feeling good. I'm doing really good with speaking. I think pwede na ako sa call center. Medyo hindi na ako budol, and I think that's good. Wait lang. Isa kong cellphone eh. Nandun. The timer pa tayo. Okay, scramble. Tapos end na natin yung video. $11.35, not bad. Goods. Bye, subscribe guys.